How to configure Device Portal for desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Need to test apps or manage your device remotely. The Windows Device Portal offers a web-based interface to configure, monitor, and debug Windows 10 and 11 systems. In this video, we'll show you how to configure the Device Portal for desktop on Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Windows Device Portal? The Windows Device Portal is a browser-based tool for developers and admins. It allows you to manage system settings, deploy apps, monitor performance, and troubleshoot remotely, ideal for development or diagnostic tasks. Device Portal is only supported on Windows 10 and Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, Education, IoT Core, and IoT Enterprise editions. It is also supported on Windows Server editions, where the desktop environment is enabled. If you're planning on configuring Device Portal, you'll need to be using any of these editions and have administrator privileges. Configuring Device Portal for desktop on Windows. To enable the Windows Device Portal, follow these steps. Right-click on the Start button, then go to Settings. In the Find a Setting search box, enter Device Portal. Then click on the Enable Device Portal. On the For Developers settings screen, toggle Developer Mode to On. Accept any prompts and install the Developer Mode package. Once enabled, toggle Device Portal on. Turn on Authentication. Set a strong, unique username and password, then click Apply. Remember to only enable this on trusted networks and always use a secure password. You can also consider VPN or provision an HTTPS certificate for the best security. Once it has been enabled, use one of the addresses provided on the settings screen below the Device Portal authentication settings. If you are accessing the Windows Device Portal from the current machine, use the local host address. If you are accessing it over the network, use the address provided for the network interface connected to your network. Once you're done testing or troubleshooting, you should immediately disable Device Portal. To do this, follow the same steps as enabling Device Portal. When you reach Enable Device Portal, toggle Device Portal off instead. This helps prevent unauthorized access when connected to untrusted or shared networks. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to configure Device Portal for desktop on Windows 10 and Windows 11, linked in the description below.